Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to purchase Bitcoin on the PayPal app. Alright, let's begin. Start by opening the PayPal app and logging into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Crypto section. Tap on it and you'll see options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. For this example, we'll focus on Bitcoin. Tap on Buy under Bitcoin. Before continuing, PayPal will ask you to confirm a few details. Tap Continue, and you'll be shown the terms and conditions for using cryptocurrency on PayPal. These include the ability to buy, sell, hold, and transfer crypto. Read through them, then tap Agree and Continue. Once your account is confirmed, you're ready to purchase. Tap Buy again and choose the amount. You can start with as little as $1. In this example, we'll go with a $5 one-time purchase. Next, you'll see a summary showing the transaction fee. For a $5 purchase using your PayPal balance, the fee is 99 cents. Larger purchases, especially using debit cards, will have higher fees. For example, a $500 transaction would have a $9 fee. If you're okay with the details, tap Buy to confirm. You'll receive a confirmation message in the app and an email from PayPal. You can also choose to enable notifications for crypto updates, but that's optional. So that's basically how you can purchase Bitcoin on the PayPal app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.